Hello, in this video I will show you how to add the basic question types in a quiz. In the Academy there are three types of basic questions: one choice, multiple choice, and written answer. Let's go through each of them. To create a basic question, open the desired quiz and click the Add Question button. A window will appear where you can select the question type according to your needs. Let's start with the multiple choice type. This type allows learners to select more than one correct answer at a time. Please note that it can also have only one correct answer. Select the multiple choice type. In the editing field, enter the question. If needed, you can also add a description which can be formatted and added with multimedia. Next, add the answer question. You can create as many options as need by clicking Add Answer. After adding answer, you can mark the correct answer by checking the box next to them. You can also add an image to each answer by clicking the corresponding icon on the right. Clicking the three-dot menu, you can also give access to additional question settings. Here you can add an image, add a note, mark all answers as correct, enable comments, create a master questions, edit text, and also delete the question. Once you finish configuring the question, make sure to save your changes. Next, let's look at the one-choice question type. This type is used where there is only one correct answer. After adding the question, enter the question text and if needed, add a description or multimedia. Then create the answer options and mark only one as correct. In the additional settings for this question type, you can also add an image, leave a note, link a variable, mark all answers as correct, enable comments, create a master questions, add text, or delete a questions. The last type is a written answer. This allows learners to enter their own text responses as suitable for open-ended questions. To create this type of question, click Add Question and select Written Answer. Then enter the question text and, if needed, add a description with formatting or multimedia. In the additional settings, you can also add image, leave a note for the reviewer, link a variable, create a master question, or add text. You can also delete a question, clicking by Delete. Answer for this type of question can be reviewed manually. To enable this, activate the Manual Approve in the quiz settings. After the learner completes the quiz, the administrator can review the answers manually or with the help of an AI assistant. Let's see how this question looks from the learner perspective. Let's start with a one choice. We can see the questions and choose only one correct answer. If we speak about multiple choice, we can see the question and select few answers. The last one is a written answer. We see the question and can type the answer. I hope this helps and good luck with your academy.